but we're going to mirror this quite fast, so I can just use Symmetry X by Johan Sten, and it does a fairly good job. You can see though that this didn't quite make it, and that's because this was like way off the center. So, but you can see that this has this kind of like shape to it, and even then, even though this doesn't share the X0 position, even then it works, so it's really neat. So just run it and it's cool. Of course, if your object is more dense, then this is going to get more problematic. Because, for example, if you got, well, let's just go like that. It just gets more problematic because of the x-axis, really. So if I run that now, then it's going to go like that. So be aware of that for more dense objects. This is, I would say, pretty much a must-have, a plugin from Johan Sten.